Hey AutoDriveX family, welcome back. The future of driving is here, and it's all electric. But when it comes to choosing the ultimate EV, one name stands out: Tesla. Enter the Tesla Model Y long range. With a mind-blowing range of 331 miles and an acceleration that rivals some of the fastest cars on the planet, you may be wondering, is this the electric car that changes everything? Does it offer the perfect blend of performance, sustainability, and cutting-edge technology? And more importantly, can it stand the test of real-world driving? Whether you're looking for long road trips, an eco-friendly option, or just the thrill of driving something out of the future, Tesla's Model Y long range promises to deliver. Stick with us as we dive deep into its features, performance, and everything you need to know before making that all-important decision. At first glance, the Tesla Model Y long range doesn't just look like an SUV, it looks like the future. Its sleek, aerodynamic silhouette is designed not just for beauty, but for maximum efficiency. The front is clean and minimalist, with no traditional grille, giving it that unmistakable EV identity. Every curve is intentional, shaped by airflow to reduce, drag, and extend range. From the full-length glass roof that stretches from front to rear, letting natural light flood the cabin to the sculpted sides that reflect light like a premium sports car, this vehicle turns heads without even trying. The flush door handles slide out smoothly when approached, and the 19-inch Gemini wheels come standard, though you can upgrade to 20-inch induction wheels for a bolder stance. And let's not forget the subtle but aggressive rear end, with its sporty lip spoiler and signature LED taillights that look especially stunning at night. It's not just an SUV, it's a statement on wheels, designed for those who want their ride to be as modern as their mindset. Step inside the Tesla Model Y long range, and you're immediately welcomed into a world where simplicity meets sophistication. The cabin is open, airy, and refreshingly minimalist, yet it feels anything but empty. The centerpiece is the stunning 15-inch touchscreen, floating elegantly on the dashboard, controlling everything from navigation to climate, music to autopilot. There are no cluttered buttons or outdated dials, just clean lines and seamless technology. The panoramic glass roof stretches above you, offering an uninterrupted view of the sky by day and stars by night. It also gives the interior a sense of spaciousness rarely found in this segment. Whether you're sitting in the front or the rear, legroom is generous, and the seats are supportive and plush, wrapped in vegan leather that feels both premium and responsible. With a whisper-quiet cabin, thanks to electric power and enhanced sound insulation, every drive feels calm and composed. Dual-zone climate control, heated seats in both rows, and optional third-row seating make the Model Y incredibly family-friendly. This isn't just an interior, it's an experience designed to elevate every journey, short or long. When it comes to performance, the Tesla Model Y long range isn't just quick, it's electrifying. With dual-motor all-wheel drive, it rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.8 seconds. That's sports car territory in an SUV built for families. The instant torque delivery means there's no lag, just immediate, silent power every time you tap the accelerator. But speed is only half the story. The real magic lies in its range. With an impressive EPA estimated range of over 330 miles on a single charge, you're free to roam farther, worry less, and recharge less often. Whether you're commuting, taking a weekend trip, or heading out on a spontaneous road adventure, this EV is built to go the distance. Its low center of gravity, thanks to the floor-mounted battery, provides sharp handling and a planted feel around corners. Combine that with regenerative braking, and you get a drive that's not only exciting, but also efficient. The Model Y doesn't just perform, it redefines what performance means in the world of electric SUVs. Tesla has never been just about electric power, it's about smart power. The Model Y long range is packed with cutting-edge tech that makes driving safer, smoother, and smarter. At the heart of it all is Tesla's autopilot system, offering lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and automatic lane changes with minimal driver input. It's not self-driving yet, but it's the closest you can legally get. Over-the-air updates continuously improve performance, features, and even safety. That means your car gets smarter over time, just like your phone. Inside, the 15-inch touchscreen doesn't just control the carrots, your command center. Navigation, streaming, voice command sits all at your fingertips. And when it comes to safety, Tesla doesn't compromise. The Model Y has a 5-star crash rating, with features like emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and collision warning all standard. It's not just a smart car, it's a safe one too. Charging the Tesla Model Y long range is as simple as plugging in your phone. At home, you can charge overnight using a Tesla wall connector, giving you up to 44 miles of range per hour. On the road? No worries. Tesla's supercharger network has over 45,000 stations worldwide, adding up to 200 miles in just 15 minutes. But the real game changer? Maintenance. Since there's no engine, no oil changes, no transmission, and fewer moving parts, the Model Y requires far less upkeep than a gas-powered vehicle. Most maintenance is software-based, or handled through mobile service. Tesla comes to you. No more trips to the mechanic, no more unexpected costs, just low hassle, low cost, and high reliability. That's the electric advantage, and Tesla does it better than anyone. What do real Model Y owners say? For most, it's not just a car, it's a lifestyle shift. Sarah from California uses her Model Y for daily school runs and weekend getaways. She says the spacious trunk and smooth ride make it perfect for her family of 4. Mark, a tech professional in London, commutes 50 miles daily and charges just twice a week, saving hundreds every month in fuel costs. Then there's Jamal from Texas, who's clocked over 30,000 miles and hasn't stepped foot in a repair shop. Just software updates, tire rotations, and that's it. Owners love the instant acceleration, the peace of the quiet cabin, and how the car just knows what to do. Many say they could never go back to gas cars. From young professionals to parents to retirees, Model Y fits into lives effortlessly. It's not hype, it's real-world trust, built on thousands of miles and smiles. So, let's break it down. The Tesla Model Y long range shines in key areas: exhilarating performance, impressive 330-plus mile range, a tech-loaded interior, and class-leading practicality. Add to that minimal maintenance and a vast supercharger network, and it's clear why so many love it. But it's not all perfect. The build quality has occasional quirks, the ride can feel a bit firm on rough roads, and if you're not into touchscreens, the minimalist interior might take some getting used to. Still, Tesla's constant over-the-air updates continue to improve things even after you buy it. Final verdict? If you're looking for a premium all-electric SUV that's fast, spacious, smart, and future-ready, the Model Y long range is hard to beat. It's not just an EV, it's a statement. And for many, it's the best kind of upgrade life can offer. And if you love cars, tech, and future vehicle reveals, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the latest automotive updates. Trust me, 2026 is going to be one wild year for car lovers, and we'll be here covering it all for you. This is AutoDriveX channel. Thanks for watching, stay safe, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one.